Indonesia is a fascinating nation. Reserve a ride for high hopes and greater future. From big dreams to begin with, we present our devotion for the nation Delimajaya Group. Delimajaya was established in 1976 with headquarters in Bogor, Indonesia. It is located in an 80,000 square meter facility, which accommodates the corporate and administrative office, research and development, engineering, marketing, manufacturing operations, assembly plant, training center, and product test facilities. Delimajaya is a leading manufacturer of truck and bus for a wide range of industries and applications. With over 45 years of experience, our collection of products is rooted in extraordinary craftsmanship with a legacy of superior build that endures to this day. At Delimajaya Group, we believe that success comes from a relentless focus on quality and innovation. We are fully committed to provide our customers with the best possible products and services, ultimately creating the best value for your business. This philosophy is not only vital to our business development, but also to our sustainability. The result is apparent that we've received a number of awards from media, survey, and award companies and customers for the best performance of the year consecutively as #1 special purpose vehicle manufacturer in Indonesia. We have the expertise and resources to deliver the results you need. Our products are designed to meet the needs of our customers, providing exceptional performance, durability, and value. We offer a wide range of products, including bus, delivery truck, trailer, mining transport equipment, ambulance, firefighting vehicle, tactical vehicle, food truck, RV motorhome, camper vans, VIP luxury interior, and specialty vehicles. Our vehicles are used in a variety of industries, including automotive, mining, government ministry, military, police, agriculture, forestry, municipal, healthcare hospital, marine, construction, public figure, or individual, and more. We also offer custom bespoke vehicles to meet the specific needs of our customers. At Delimajaya Group, we're totally responsible with our work and give warranty coverage on our products and services, providing you with added assurance and extra value. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Delimajaya Group makes certain to back up our work. All vehicles come with a full 6 to 12 months bodyworks warranty, as well as craftsmanship warranty. We honor all manufacturer warranties and provide core replacement for related parts. We believe that building your bespoke vehicles should be our utmost priority. It is with extensive pleasure we thank you for your trust and giving us the great opportunity. We look forward to working with you and providing you with the best possible solutions for your business. At Delimajaya Group, our customers are our first and utmost priority.